everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. NFTs are all over the internet these days and everyone is raving about them. Creators and investors have made staggering figures that have changed their lives forever. Earlier this year, the $69.3 million sale of Beeple's NFT broke the internet and changed how the world viewed these digital collectibles. Now everyone is racing to get their feet in the water and ride this new wave. If you've been watching from the sidelines and not really knowing where to start, then don't worry, the boat hasn't sailed too far yet. And in today's video, we're going to look at 5 ways that you can make money off of NFTs. If you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Also, you can let us know in the comments down below. Now let's jump into it. You can create and sell your NFT. Are you a creator and happen to have some works that you want to monetize? Then you can increase your income by selling your works as NFTs. You can sell pretty much anything digital as an NFT. From your own original artwork, to music, to memes, to videos, audio clips, and so much more. There's even a New Yorker who sold his own farts as an NFT. So you're really only limited by your imagination. Trade NFTs. You can invest in NFTs by buying them and selling them at a profit. Pablo Rodriguez Fraile, a Miami-based art collector, flipped a Beeple digital art piece almost 1,000 times its initial price in less than 6 months. But keep in mind, not all NFTs are created equal. Some are worth millions, while some are basically worthless. As a collector, you need to look at a piece with a critical eye for the prospects of making money in a future resale. NFT gaming. We're living in fun times where you can play and earn. Blockchain-based games allow you to purchase in-game items as NFTs and trade them. Already, there's some highly valued collectibles in the market today, such as in the game CryptoKitties. A single CryptoKitty has fetched more than $300,000. More games are recently launching with more affordable NFTs, and some are even giving out their collectibles for free for its first couple of players. Staking NFTs. Staking is a way to make passive income with cryptocurrency. For people who hold cryptocurrency that operates on a proof of stake, they have the option of staking their coins. And essentially, when someone stakes their coins, they're lending it to the network to validate the transactions. In return, they give you a share of the reward. You can actually stake your NFTs and earn rewards and incentives on various sites, one of them being our planet. Invest in NFT startups. Another way you can make money with NFTs is by investing in startups. If there's one thing that NFTs have proven, it's that they're not a quick passing crypto trend. They have numerous applications in various industries. There are so many promising NFT startups that are showcasing great innovations in the crypto world. Just imagine investing in a startup before it takes its first steps into a revolutionary future. As the big fish continue pouring more money into NFTs, they're becoming more mainstream. At the moment, gaming, trading collectibles, and creating NFTs might be setting the pace, but there'll be more ways in which you can make money through them. Just remember, just like with any other investment, there are some risks. So make sure you research and invest wisely. So there we have it. 5 ways to make money with NFTs. Create and sell your NFT, trade NFTs, NFT gaming, staking NFTs, and investing in NFT startups. As always, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you still have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.